What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Mazda remote key fob. This Mazda key fob is going to use two replacement batteries, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So if we grab our key fob and we take a look at the back, we see there's this button that slides right here. Just what we're going to do is just slide that over like that. Then that cover pops off. We see our two batteries right here. Go ahead and dump your old batteries out. We'll grab the new ones, and we want to make sure that we're installing them with the plus side up. Get them just kind of sitting in those holders like that. And then we'll slide our cover back on. And we want to start the end in by the key ring down here first. You can see there's these two little tabs that need to slide in. So slide that in, and then once that's slid down, slide our button back, and that locks that into place. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.